In this video, I'll show you how to add users to ClickUp. So there are 5 places that we can add users in ClickUp: at the workspace level, the space level, the folder level, the list level, and the task level. So let's start with the workspace level. To do this, we're going to click our icon on the top left, and depending on which version of ClickUp you're using, it will either say manage users or manage people. We're going to click manage, and then you can just invite people right here by simply typing in their email, clicking invite, and then you're going to select their permission level. So where it says invite as member, you can either select member, limited member, guest, or admin. And if you're using Business Plus or the Enterprise version, you will have the ability to do custom roles as well, being able to give granular permissions to each type of user. After you select their membership type, then you click invite. Now that logic is going to remain the same for the next 4 places that we can add users from. So if you don't want to give a user access to an entire workspace, you just want to give them access to a particular space, you can add them on the space level. On the left-hand side, there's going to be 3 dots to the right-hand side of the name of the space. So we're going to click those 3 dots, run down to sharing and permissions, and then type the email in right there. That will give them whichever selected access you give them to that particular space. Same thing with folder. You click on the 3 dots to the right of a folder, click sharing and permissions, and you have the same spot to add in a member, a guest, or an admin. From the list view, it's the exact same thing. You click the 3 dots to the right of the name of the list, click sharing and permissions, paste in their email, set their permission, and click invite. And then finally, you can literally share a single task with somebody in your workspace. So if you want to invite someone into your workspace and you only want to give them access to a single task, you can do that by clicking on the task, clicking on share, pasting their email into the invite section, selecting their permission level once again, and clicking send invite.